Okay, new day, early morning, tired body. I am about 2 hours shy of 48 hours in Bahamas. So in 2 hours time, I'll be like 48 hours in the Bahamas. And if you've been following my blog, this is a new day. I don't know what is planned yet. I'm waiting for my host and my friend to tell me what the day is going to be. I know we did mention we're going to have a beach day. And I'm now waking up because I slept so late yesterday after 2 o'clock in the morning. So, yep, I'm in my Airbnb, green vibes, colorful Bahamian compound. Just a simple place, nothing extra. And I'm waiting for the host to speak. And I move. So, it's been fun so far. The weather is so humid this morning. It rains and it stops and it rains and it stops and the sun comes back. And I'm having fun so far. I'm so exhausted. We did a lot of dance, salsa dance yesterday. The music here is soca, so a lot of that last night. My feet are so sore. My voice is horrible. I look tired, but over enjoyment is not the key person. So I'm game. I'm game to start a new day. So beach day. Hopefully it doesn't rain today. We were gonna do late night beach last night, but the rain, so it was too muddy at the shore, so we couldn't do that. So, pardon my voice, it's about enjoyment. Now waking up, just to get hot, much needed shower, and waiting to get dressed and slay and go and enjoy myself because I work too damn hard not to enjoy my money. I worked too damn hard not to enjoy myself, and I had missed out on a tropical vibe when I was going to Ghana. I couldn't make it there, so this is the closest I've gotten to a tropical vibe. And I think I see myself in a mirror. This is what I'm wearing so far. I don't know whether I'm gonna wear this out. It's just too boring, too churchy, so I would have to get into a beachy mode. That's me right there. And Bahamas is beautiful. I recommend everyone to come visit. It's not too far from America. Just a chicken change and you are here. Twinning, beach day. Okay, so this is where we are. We just arrived here to see how the beach is gonna be like. And that's my friend's sexy back. And it's a holiday, Monday, so everybody's out. Location ID, Bahamas. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me fall. Vlogger. We are twinning. Thank you Thank you for the sexy dress. My friend bought me the dress. And we are in Bahamas at one of their numerous beaches. Very beautiful. Monday holiday, Bahamas Bay area, and we are about to have fun, girls' time together, and let's see how it goes. Yes, I'm having fun, and I know you can see that I'm glowing. I'm not happy at this in the US, so you can just tell this place is good. I might relocate. Yeah.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. How do you think?
Because it's me.
Yes.
With me, there's always fun.
I know. You'll never a dull moment with you. And I've known her for 20 years. Yes, I know. Makes me look old. Makes us look old. But we go way back. We are young, fresh, gorgeous, beautiful, diverse. Okay?
With money. She's
money. Cash Mama. That's my nickname in case you didn't know that.
She's a money woman.
And this is the youngest gynecologist, fresh Ghanaian gynecologist. And I'm so proud of her.
Thank you.
And we're going to travel the world together. Make money, work hard, play hard. water is so clear. You can see. So blue, beautiful water. I don't know whether the phone can do justice to it, but I am in it and I'm enjoying. It's so deep though. It's already at my knee level. Whew. Beautiful blue sea. It's very deep, trust me. It's very, very deep. That's my friend right there. Oh my god. Beautiful ocean. Beautiful skies. Jet ski life. Welcome to Bahamas. Oh my god. Like a kid in a candy shop. This is beautiful. Thank you to my friends there for that experience. That's it right there. Woo, living my best life. I work them hard and you know that. if you know me, you know. I work them hard and it's time to enjoy my hustle and bustle. Enjoy my money. Somebody's cruising right behind me there. Yep, somebody's swimming right behind me. So deep where she is. You see her up there? Wow. It's a beautiful beach. This is just one of the beaches in Bahamas. Very beautiful. Blue skies, blue water. I need to take a shot.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
blue. Some people are tanning, relaxing. My friend is right there. Ooh, it's very deep, very blue and beautiful. This is the life you should be living. You hang your problems and you take a breather. I know how to have fun and how to work hard. That's for sure. Because the two go hand in hand. You need to work hard to be able to afford the life you want to live. So, work hard, work smart, make money. Play hard. So yeah, it's very therapeutic. And I am loving it.
You know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning. I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me that I'm fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me that I'm fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning. I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning. I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna
still
wake
walking.
up with you in the
Trying to
morning.
have a good
Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
The cloud
I
is
wanna
forming.
wake up with you
And
in
it's
the
gonna
morning.
rain.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're
Beautiful
dreaming
day
even
here in
when we're
Bahamas.
not.
This is a place I'm
You and me got a whole
definitely
other
gonna be back.
meaning.
I'm
I
feeling
don't know
to have a
how.
good time.
You and me just
Very
know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you